Welcome to Genie Baji. Episode 1. Greetings and Introductions. Vocabulary. Welcome to English Vocabulary Time. In today's episode, we are learning some of the most useful words and phrases in English. Greetings and introductions. The first step in any conversation. Vocabulary list with examples. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi. A basic way to greet someone. Example. Hi, my name is Sarah. Good morning. Good morning. Use before noon. Example. Good morning. Did you sleep well? Good afternoon. Good afternoon. From noon to early evening. Example. Good afternoon, sir. How can I help you? Good evening. Good evening. Say this after 5 or 6 p.m. Example. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the meeting. Good night. Good night. Use before going to bed. Example. Good night. See you tomorrow. My name is. My name is. Use to introduce yourself. Example. My name is David. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Polite phrase for first time meeting. Example. Nice to meet you, sir. How are you? How are you? Ask about someone's well-being. Example. Hi John, how are you? I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you. Common polite response. Example. I am fine, thank you. And you? Now it's your turn. Repeat each phrase aloud. Practice make perfect. That's it for today's vocabulary. In the next episode, we will see how to use these greetings in a short, friendly conversation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English practice. Thanks for watching.